Hey everyone, I'm Nina Manuel and I'm with GQ Digital covering GQ Men of the Year Awards 2012. It's going to be raining hot, sexy men and also fabulous women. And on that note, I'm going to cause some trouble. I have a very, very important question. It's of national importance. A lot of people out there would want to know about it. You ready? So if you had to pick guys in boxers, briefs or Superman underwear, which would you pick?
Is nothing an option?
Dirty girl. So tonight's theme is all about 20s vintage Hollywood. So
1920s, yes.
yeah,
Roaring
I
20s.
Yes, the roaring 20s. How would a gentleman like yourself help your lady at a black tie event like this?
You know, she told me that look at the. Can you just till down? Can you just till down? Till down.
Okay, so since it's in your blood, let's check how well you are versed with the terminology. Okay, so I'm going to have a quick fire round with you, and then you have to tell me what it means.
I never read and write, ever. You know, I expect to be told everything.
Okay, what is GAMS?
Gams?
Yeah.
Bathroom singing is legendary.
So how does it feel to be here at the GQ Men of the Year Awards?
It's always been a great privilege. I think GQ is fashion, style, and we honor a lot of young women and men who come out in their finery.
I mean, those who've heard me once never make the mistake again.
You're married?
I am married, yeah.
Oh, get out of here. So I'm going to throw some words at you and you have to tell me what it means.
Okay, I'm going to look kind of retarded right now because I don't know what my knowledge is of the 20s.
I mean,
I've given my seat many times to a lady, and I especially give my seat to a lady when she has a child.
Okay, let's see.
Giggle water.
Who?
Do you have like a six-pack ab going on there? Okay, so, well, you know, I sat one evening and I thought it would be really interesting after I saw part one. And I thought Gangs of Bandra, because Gangs of Wasseypur, Gangs of Bandra, how, you know, you worked in Hollywood as well as the Indian film industry. What's the difference? So it'll be like three hot models robbing department stores for like designer clothes and shoes and bags.
Same actors, same inhumans, 2 eyes, nose, voice.
You own an airline, which is Air Asia. Are you a member of the Mile High Club?
I ain't gonna tell you that tonight.
Always wear a helmet. You shouldn't ride without a helmet. And I think that makes a guy cool when he rides with a helmet.
You look at the size of her jeans.
Make sure I do not
So you help her out of the car, help her down the stairs.
So that is why I'm here today.
Hula hoop world champion.
Super glam in
So
every
that's
which
what,
way.
What about Butney?
What the hell is that? Can I get into my pajamas and do this for you later? Please, I promise you. I've done this for you before and you know I can do it.
It's like, do you want a cigarette? Now this is like the lingo that they
This
would
is the
use
lingo they used to use?
in the 20s.
Butt me.
Yes, butt me. I'll
Butt
go easy
Butt
with
me now.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the king of Indian fashion.
We're not wearing
I think a lot of people will be. I hope my hair doesn't turn into the hair of the dog.